Hi everybody, it's Dan again from Fundamentals. Just wanted to give you a quick posting on something I mentioned the other day on one of my posts to do with not from concentrate and concentrated apple juice and orange juice. I'm going to try and make it as simple as possible. It's very quick. Basically, you can buy two different things from supermarkets. One is called orange juice, and it'll say 100% natural. But then underneath it, you might be able to see it actually says from concentrate. This means what they do is they pick the oranges in the country where they're grown, they then squeeze them, and because that's made up of a majority of water from the plant, they then concentrate that down, right the way down. They boil it down till you get a very rich, thick, very sweet, acidic syrup. That then gets shipped from one country to another, so from Spain to the UK. It is then reconstituted. Water is added back to it until it comes back to what it was before, and it's sold as orange juice but concentrated. So it's not really 100% natural, it's quite deceptive. The second version is what we call, and this is very much similar to Tropicana. This is a smooth orange juice, and it says never from concentrate. So basically what they do is they then squeeze the oranges. It then gets pasteurized, so it gets heated. But then what happens is it gets frozen. This is the same as Tropicana. It doesn't say it on the label. No one tells anybody. It's one of these trade secrets. It gets frozen at source. So where it gets pressed in Florida or Spain or Italy or wherever, it then gets pasteurized, so heated so it lasts longer, and it gets frozen. It then gets shipped from one country to another, gets defrosted, goes into a carton, sold as orange juice, never from concentrate, 100% pure squeezed, but they don't tell you the full truth. And then the third version I don't have with me at the moment is basically a bottle of, not from concentrate, 100% fresh pressed orange juice, which you buy in plastic bottles. It's normally Marks and Spencer's, Tesco, Sainsbury's, they all do it, and it is just 100% pure pressed. It has a shelf life of around about 7 days, whereas this one goes out of date in about 4 or 5 weeks. So look for something that's going to be out of date within about a week. That is literally unpasteurized, unprocessed orange juice. And that's your 3 different types. So that's why you pay so much or so little for this type, which is basically a syrup with water added. This is what I would say is preferred option with the that's been frozen, but it's still fresh orange juice effectively. And your third option is obviously just completely just pressed orange juice, unpasteurized, and lasts about 7 days. Hope that helps. All right, and I'll be back soon with a few more posts. Bye bye.